Yo, welcome to this video. Welcome to the video. Just giving you a little update here. I'm with the great, the inspirational, the motivational, the man, Chris Dacres here.
What's going on, guys?
And first off, I want to say my name is Jonathan Belcher. This is Chris Dacres. We've been doing business for a while now, right?
7 years.
Yeah, exactly. Really doing this. So, first and foremost, we want you to know that anything is possible. Chris just closed like 3 sales literally in 24 hours. You know, he's killing the game, doing a great job in his business. And when I think back to the earlier days when Chris was first starting out, like to see where he is now, to see the growth, more than ever, if you don't believe that anything is possible for your life, you're missing out. You know, you have to believe anything is possible for you. When you see, you know, you hear Chris's story, how he used to sell candy in high school. Now he's a part of, you know, Isagenix, serving people up great products, helping them lose weight. But not only just helping them lose weight, he's also inspiring, giving people value. I'm gonna tell you right now, and please don't take this the wrong way, right? You could come to me if you get a problem with what I'm about to say. You could come to me directly and hash it out.
Impressive.
But right now, I gotta tell you, if you're looking to lose weight, if you're looking to get your metabolism right, if you're looking to get your health right, and you ain't get connected with him, you ain't get started with him yet, you're crazy. There's something wrong.
Yeah.
He's on a mission right now. He's on a mission right now. He's looking for people he can help. He's looking for people he can help change their life. Not only change their life, but change other people's lives around them. You know what I'm saying? And just to see your growth, man, I really got to say, bro, I appreciate you because your growth inspires me. And I know it doesn't just inspire me. I know it inspires millions of people out there in the world, man. So I just want you to just explain, how's it been the last few days, man? You got 3 sales today. You're helping people, you know, get their body right. You're helping people get more fit. Like, what is going on in the mindset of Chris Dacres right now?
All right, cool. Well, thank you for watching this video. We want to keep this value-based. You know, how many people do you follow on social media that aren't really providing you any value? It's not anything that's going to be beneficial to you. So we want to keep this short. We want to keep this powerful. We want you to know that there's nothing different between me and you, or you and I. You know, like we're all here for a purpose. It doesn't matter what you look like. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what your bank account. Well, you need to make money. You need to have money to invest to start a business. So you definitely need money. Let's just be clear about that. You need money to make money. And we are in business to make money. We're in business to get healthy. And for me, honestly, I love growth. I love setting goals and accomplishing them. And you have your up days, you have your down days, but the process, it's all about that process. And I believe that there's no excuse for us not to have any success. I believe business is important. I believe entrepreneurship is important. And we're living in a time today where you can just focus on that right behind you. How many of you have this? It's an iPhone box, right? Wouldn't it be dope to get paid just by using your phone, right?
Of course.
You know, we're using the phone to record this, but you can make money using your phone. How? By setting yourself up with a system. Like, you know, we're about to go into the products here. Having a solution to people's problems. That's really what it's all about. Like, it doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what your story is. You have to get L's in life to reach your W's, right? And to spell life, it starts with L. So you're not going to start a business and expect, I'm going to have $1,000 day like you had. This guy had $1,000 day before, believe it or not.
$3,000.
$3,000.
That was the biggest day.
Come on now. Young black entrepreneurs setting our intention, getting things done. And my purpose in this video is to let you know that you don't have to struggle. You don't have to be tied down financially. You don't have to be limited to just going to your supermarket and only getting what you can get. You have so many opportunities to invest into yourself physically by using these products that we're about to talk to you about really quick. And you have an opportunity to supplement your income by participating. You get what I'm saying? Some of you only understand that the only way for you to get paid is to go to work. Wake up every day, go to work, and do that over and over and over again. I believe in freedom. We believe in freedom. We believe in having options. You get what I'm saying? And you can't have options if you're only limited to one source of income that's based on your time.
I always say it like this. That's perfect, man. I always look at it like this. Like, if you have that within you, like you have that desire in you to make more money, to be more, just like Chris did years ago, just like I did, all we had was a desire, all we had was a vision, and all we needed was an opportunity. However, most people, they're poor, right? They're passing over opportunity repeatedly.
Repeat that.
Passing over opportunity repeatedly. Most people are poor. That's the real definition of poor. It means you get an opportunity that can help you, that can change your situation, change your life. And when you get that solution, you try to find another issue. And the more solutions that come up in life, you try to find another issue. But the issue with that is, that mentality is that you actually have real life vehicles here. For example, Chris is an Isagenix. So not only is Chris able to use the products to lose weight, not only is he using the products to get healthier, not only did he lose 50 pounds using the products, but also it's a way for him to earn income. So imagine turning your business into your lifestyle, or your lifestyle into your business. That's what's possible here. And like he was just saying earlier, is iPhone paying you to refer other people, refer other customers? Does iPhone pay you any money to say, you know what, let me bring a friend to Apple and let me have them buy a phone? Is Apple going to pay you any type of commission at all when you bring a friend to Apple to buy a phone?
Yep.
I'll tell you the answer. What's the answer?
Hell no.
No, they're not going to do that. So first off, what we want to do is get rid of the mentality of, oh, something isn't real if I have to refer somebody. That's a poor mindset, you know, because if you're seeing opportunities out there where people are getting rich, 9 times out of 10, those opportunities are not 9-to-5s.
Right.
So the only way to experience that is to get rid of the closed mind and to adopt the open mind and change your life. And that's why today, you know, Chris is killing it. You know, he's just tell him, man. Tell him the whole thing, man.
We're talking about
excited.
We're gonna end this video soon because it is getting a little lengthy. But it's all about the value, and if you're getting value from this, let us know. Like this video.
Anything
comment,
is possible. Anything,
you know?
for you. Anything is possible for you. You want to show them the products, bro?
Definitely. Yeah. So you were talking about an open mind, right? Mm-hmm. An open mind is like a parachute. It's not gonna work if it's not open, right?
Right.
So in my business here, I partnered with 2 companies. Here you're looking at Total Life Changes. This is a company that provides the only CBD detox tea, and it's the instant tea. So when I wake up in the morning, I'll, have a shot of my NutriBurst. This is a daily liquid vitamin, and it has a 98% cell absorption rate. So when you take this, it's like eating 10 salads all in one cap. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
This is very powerful. This combined with the CBD detox tea, for $150, you're gonna completely fuel your body. You're gonna cleanse, and you're gonna feel the difference. You're gonna feel like when I did the video the other day, I was just talking about my experience, and because I had a great experience, someone went ahead and purchased this system. I didn't have to meet her in person. I didn't have to talk to her about anything. She just got started.
Oh, and by the way, I work with Chris on a lot of the marketing stuff and a lot of the teachings.
Definitely.
And I'm here to vouch for actual people on his team who have lost weight, feeling much better, vouching for the products, hitting him up literally the next day like, yo, Chris, man, these products are changing my life. I love the way I'm feeling. I'm feeling much better than I did from the last 20 years. You know what I'm saying? So I'm telling you right now, if you're missing out on this, let's just continue, bro. I don't know what to say anymore.
So I just want to give some shout outs to Amisha.
Yes.
For losing almost 15 pounds.
Yes.
In her first month. My mom lost 30 pounds. I lost 50 pounds.
Yeah.
You have people like
shout
Julie
out to Troy
Marchak,
doing his thing.
Troy, definitely. Julie lost 140 pounds. People are getting results. It's all about the results. You get what I'm saying? So this is how I really want to make this short, sweet, and simple. I'm here to provide solutions to people. And I have 2 products from two systems from 2 different companies. You get what I'm saying? We have Isagenix, who is for people who have money. If you have money and you have no idea how to get results, Isagenix is for you because you have the resources to afford these solutions and you can get started. You get what I'm saying? But some people aren't able to invest $300 to $600 on a weight loss system. That's why Total Life Changes comes in handy. And
keep in mind, after you refer a certain amount of people, your actual food that Isagenix is sending to you every single month becomes free.
Right.
So you don't have to pay any more. You eat for free. You get your healthy nutrients in for free, and you start to get to a point where you start to earn some residual income. So residual income, meaning you're getting paid for work you've done in the past. You know, most 9-to-5 jobs, well, all 9-to-5 jobs pay you linear income. So you can't get paid off of work you've done in the past. So part of the reason why we got into this industry is because we just couldn't see ourselves living paycheck to paycheck every single week. You know, gotta go back to work. Let's refill up the hours again so I can get my paycheck again. You know what I mean? It's kind of like, it's not conducive for when you're trying to really earn that passive income, when you're trying to really travel the world, inspire and motivate and help people. And one thing that I told Chris, this was a couple months ago, I told Chris, I said, look, man, I said, Chris, one thing about closing sales in your business is you gotta focus on keeping your pipeline full. You have to keep your pipeline full. And this for those of you who are still on the fence, you're thinking about joining Chris right now, right? Don't stay on the fence for too long. Make the decision soon, because if you don't, nothing's gonna change.
Timing and positioning.
Right. But I'm here to tell you that Chris is gonna teach you the same exact method to keeping your pipeline full, to closing sales. And this is what's really going to allow you to financial freedom, you know. And then once you experience that financial freedom, not only are you financially free, but also you got the physique, you looking good, you feeling good, you know, all the men want you, all the women want you, you know.
This is what you teach.
No, of
why
course.
You're having the success
Without a
that you're
doubt.
having, you know?
Without a doubt. And anybody can do this. That's the thing. It doesn't matter your background. You can see me. I just threw on a black jacket. I actually had on a do-rag when I started off this video. I had on a do-rag, but Chris was like, take off the do-rag real quick. But to me, it's like, what we're here to show you is that you can come from any background, any walk of life, and you can be successful. But what we have here is changing lives. Why is it changing lives? Because there's opportunity as well as the teachings and the education here. Like I said, if you're looking to get started, Chris is going to show you the techniques to start getting those sales coming in, flowing consistently. Now, really quick, I just want you to like quickly explain to people, because I realize that one of the main thing a lot of questions that people will have before they get started or hit you up is they want to know, all right, they want to get started, right? But they may really be interested in the business side. Now, you got 3 sales today, right? Within 24 hours. And that's because you've been following the teachings and you've been doing what you're supposed to be doing.
Definitely, yeah.
But my question is, like, can you, like, really quick explain how you did it? Like, just a vague way so people know roundabout what to expect once they become lock arms with you as far as the business side of it.
Okay, so I believe following instructions is very important. Having the right mentors, like you're my mentor, you're my friend, but I respect your business skill set. I respect your experience, and I take heed to what you're telling me, which is why I'm having success, because I follow people who are successful. I follow people who have, you know, value to share that I can benefit from. So for someone, for example, the 2 women who got started with me today, they don't know anything. They're like a baby that was just born in the world. They have no idea about anything.
As far as the business goes.
As far as the business. So it's my responsibility to guide them. You know, you have to build your own belief. You have to have your own results to speak on.
So that's the first thing. You just got to believe in yourself.
Belief in yourself is very important.
That's number 1.
Having mentors.
Number 2.
Following the system.
Number 3.
Plugging in.
Number 4.
Holding yourself accountable and understanding nobody's going to do this for you but you.
Right. But although you'll be in business for yourself, you won't be in business by yourself.
Right.
You got a whole nother team. You got other people he's helping. Right now, I just got to tell you, if you have not made a decision yet to lock arms with Chris, you're selling yourself so short. And also, you're not respecting the grind of a young up and coming entrepreneur out here doing their thing and changing lives. I mean, how could you not be about? How could if it was me? Like, let's say like. If I see somebody young doing their thing and they trying to come up, they're doing something constructive, trying to change the world, legal. It's like, why you gotta be, something's gotta be wrong with you to not support that. You know what I'm trying to say?
That's why we do what we do, because we want to change your perspective. We want to show you what's possible. So
right.
Really quick, we're just going to get into the products.
Let's wrap it up. Go get into the products and then.
So these are my 2 solutions. You have Total Life Changes here, and you have Isagenix over here.
The Isagenix product.
Right? So the Isagenix products are my premium solution to anyone's weight loss or muscle gaining or whatever your goals are physically. Isagenix has a great platform. We have our meal replacement shakes. We have our Cleanse for Life, our Ionic Supreme, which is great for fighting stress. How many of you have stress every day? So this is a great product to let you feel better and look better. We have our bars. You know, these products are all designed to get you feeling and looking your very best. You get what I'm saying? And these are only certain people can afford them. Let me just say that. Like, everyone doesn't have access to these products. You need money to get these products. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay. So Total Life Changes is a perfect vehicle, because all you really need to focus on is your NutriBurst and your CBD. When you get started with Total Life Changes, you get what is called a Life Changer Kit. A Life Changer Kit. This is going to get shipped to your house on behalf of the company, and you're going to use your CBD and you're going to drink your NutriBurst, all while having at least 30 minutes of exercise every day. This retails for about $150. So the lady that got started with me today with TLC, this makes more sense, because something like Isagenix, she's not going to be able to afford that at this time. So I'm now able to meet people where they're at, give them amazing products that I personally use myself. You get what I'm saying? And it's about getting in where you fit in. Everybody wants results, physical results, financial results. You might not be able to afford Isagenix, but you can get TLC. It's wherever you fit in. And I love it because now I'm able to supplement my income. I'm able to, create more income by helping more people. So get you some of these products, whether it's the CBD or the NutriBurst or your 30-day system from Isagenix, whatever you can afford, whatever makes sense for you, just get started. And my goal is to help people feel better, look better. But let's be honest, I'm here to make money. I'm a businessman. You get what I'm saying? I'm about my business. These products are great, but I'm about the bag. I'm about making residual income. And you got to keep it real with yourself. Are you here for a financial opportunity, or are you just here to lose some pounds? But when you look at the bigger picture of your life, you need to supplement your income. Money is very important. There's no tiptoeing around it. We all need more money. So if you think about the places that you spend your money now, how many times do you go to your local supermarket? How many times do you go to Walmart and buy your groceries? When was the last time Walmart or your supermarket said, hey, thanks for shopping with us for all these years. We've never really gave you a thank you. We've never paid for your grocery bill once. Who's doing that? You get what I'm saying? These companies are. I get paid to use these products. They benefit me physically, and I just want to help other people. And because I have the desire not to focus only on myself, I have a desire to help you and that person. I'm being a blessing to others, and now I'm being blessed. Period. So I get paid to use these products, and I get paid to help other people. So I'm only going to invest my time and energy into things that are going to bless me. So thank you, Isagenix. Thank you, Total Life Changes. Thank you for all of the things that I've been able to accomplish. If you're watching this video and you know you need a total life change, you need something that's going to help you get back or transform, get access to these products, reach out to me. Reach out to John if you need help marketing your business. If you're in a business now and you don't know how to get access to finding the right people or how to move your products, if you need help financially to get your business off the ground, definitely get in contact with John Belcher. The resources are here. It's up to you to take action. So this was supposed to be a 5-minute video, and it's almost 20 minutes.
But it's all right. We get carried away sometimes. That's how it happens. We just get into the flow, and certain things just come to our head, and we got to share it with you.
Man. I feel so good.
That was awesome, man.
And I just want you to feel. I want you guys to experience this.
So lose weight, get healthier, and earn residual income, and get paid.
Yeah.
We're doing a thing.
Live your life.
And every single day, he's inspiring families, helping families. Changing their life, changing their health. Get with him. If you haven't gotten with him and you've been feeling real sluggish and you've been feeling real down and out and you've been feeling real feeling I'm talking about when it's like just boss up.
Make the decision.
Get with Chris. He's gonna plug you into the right system, into the right program, and as well in the back office, we have the right trainings to show you how to hit the ground running on the business side. So You have no excuse. Zero excuse. What?
The choice is yours.
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? We gotta keep this going. Another 10 minutes.